Welcome everybody. Today we've got Royalty based on the Harrier Jump Jet. Let's see, I forgot what I was going to say. But one of the Guardians, good guy. Not super complicated transformation. I think you just pop his wings back gently. And the legs pull out and spin. That makes his feet. Then landing gear in and flip down. Oh yeah, put that back there. Bring his shoulders off here. Yeah, come on. And we got fully transformed. Oh yeah, and the air flip they go back to. He's in reasonably good shape, a little dirty, and of course got frosted on the window. I've got a spare one that's not in near as good a shape. I've lost a lot of broken pieces off of him, and I'm debating whether I can get this nose cone off and replace that, because that is better. Let's find out together real quick. Got the screws here, so let's try and use them. Okay. Okay, okay, it does have an axle through there. So I have to be careful with that. If I do this, I say that nose cone is in so much better shape that I just got to try. No risk, no reward. This may end up being one of those things I regret doing. So, go there gently. Okay, so it slides. Actually, that other axle in better shape too. Okay, I think I can make this work. So this one, no, because this has got the landing gear off of this one. Other side. Yeah, and there. Nope. Get my specs on. And the appropriate slots on both sides. Okay. It goes. Okay. Be easier to put it in. With that in place, it appears now. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely going to be one of those things I regret doing. Okay, let me actually get here where I can see both slots. Okay. Use forceps instead of need that. All the way at the end. Right back up in there. Oh, I just realized I can do it. There's a better way to do this. That ready. In there. You there. I think. Looks like I can pass it straight through here. Okay, well I could have. Okay, wait a second. There we go. Now it's locked in place with it down like that. I hope. Okay, straight through. Now, the screws in place. And around. Oh, his head's loose. Okay. Didn't realize his head was a separate piece. Okay. Better. Okay. What was it? These are, yeah, this is a smaller one. I do not know what's holding that axle in place now. Oh well. I thought the pressure of the screws would be what held it in place. That's apparently well, no, it's okay. I'm not. Looks like I'm. Okay, yeah, a little more. I think I just didn't have it down tight enough. Let's see. No, that wasn't it. Oh well, I'll just leave it in robot form. I have to maybe put a drop of glue or something in there. But anyway, that's Royal T. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.